Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the top 5 tricks for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Doesn't matter which Galaxy phone you have, these tricks will work on all Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get the video started. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because I give you good contents like this every single week. So don't miss out and press the bell button. If I have short videos, you will get a notification. So let's get the video started. The first trick is actually rotations. As we know, the toggle bar, there's an auto rotations. When you press a button, it will rotate by themselves. However, sometimes you don't want to rotate by themselves. You just want to turn your phone sideways a little bit, but the phone, it will rotate still because you turn on the button. However, on a Samsung phone, there's a little button at the right bottom corner. If the phone feels that you want to do a landscape mode, there's a button for you. You can actually press that button anytime you want if you want a landscape mode. Doesn't matter if it's a video or picture, you just press that button, it will turn into landscape mode. But if you don't want a landscape mode, you just want to turn your phone a little sideways, but you still want to stay portrait, you don't have to press that button and your picture or your video will stay at the portrait mode. That's pretty cool. So you don't have to turn on the auto rotations at the top. You just need to press the button at the bottom right corner, and anytime you want landscape mode, just press that button and then the phone will rotate for you. So the second feature is actually called pin windows. If you do not have this pin windows, what I'm showing you right now on the screen, make sure you go to the settings, search pin window, it will be right there. Because they have this feature since the S4, but a lot of people are not familiar with this. Okay. So I'm going to tell you why this app or pin window is a very useful feature. Especially when you pass your phone to someone else that you don't know or you know, and you want to show them the videos or pictures, it's actually prevent them to going through your apps, other apps. So they will lock a certain app that you want them to look at, and that's it. Let's just say I have a weather app right now. I only can go through that weather app and that's it. I cannot go to another app and look through your stuff. So pin window is basically pinned right there, and you're the only one can unpin it by pressing those two buttons at the same time. But most people don't know about this. So they will be like, oh, how come I cannot go another app? Because you already pinned this app just for them to use. And it prevents them to look through your phone when you pass your phone to them. Pretty cool, hey? So number 3, have you ever a situation that you accidentally delete something on your home page? I mean, not your app, I mean your home page, your home screen. So there's a way you can actually lock your home screen, prevent you accidentally delete anything on your home screen, widget, apps, right? So you just go into the setting and you just press lock screen layout. Do you know it actually will lock your home screen and actually will help you to prevent you accidentally delete anything on your home screen. That's pretty neat features because I remember myself that I always delete things on my home screen. I have to put my widget back on, my app back on because I accidentally deleted. Now, when I open that, it will not delete anything. And also, this other features is only for some Samsung device. Let's just say if WhatsApp already have widget, you go on the WhatsApp app, hold it, and there's a WhatsApp option at the corner. You just press that widget, and then you select which widget you want, and then they will actually put the widget onto the home screen for you. It's pretty neat and pretty fast. Any app that have widget, you just hold it, there's a widget options, and then they just put the widget for you. That's pretty easy, I think. So I'm going to show you this last features, which is pretty surprising that a lot of people didn't know about this, but it's been happening since S3 already, but a lot of people didn't know about this. So when you scroll down from the top, there's a toggle bar, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sounds, whatsoever. Most people usually just click it and then that's it. And then they wait for the Wi-Fi to come out, the sound doesn't even do anything. And then they go to the setting and then they turn on all these features. However, do you know if you just hold your toggle bar, like just say Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, it will actually go straight to the setting. without doing anything else. And then you just select your Wi-Fi and that's it, your Wi-Fi is on. And the other feature is if you scroll one more time, there's words. And if you just press the word, it will go through the setting as well. But it's faster than holding the logo because when you hold the word, everything will be there. It's much faster and easier. Do you know about this? And also, if you use 2 fingers to scroll down your toggle bar, all the toggles is right there. If you use 1 finger, they only give you the top 5. But if you use 2 fingers, all 15 toggle bars will be right there for you to select. That is pretty awesome. So I hope these features will help you to use a Samsung Galaxy phone. And I think most of the features is only for Samsung Galaxy phone, not all the Android phones. For sure it's not for iPhone, but only for Samsung Galaxy phone. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and I will have another video very soon. So stay tuned and have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye, peace out.